My name is Rainey McKernan, and I am the Recruitment and Onboarding Coordinator for the McGregor Company. The McGregor Company is most known for being an agricultural retailer of different farm chemicals to help farmers with their operations. The McGregor Company is working closely with Garpal High School. We are working with their shop and automotive classes. Students are able to gain new skills, use those skills in a real-world setting, and then be able to reference all those things as they get older. And eventually, after they get out of high school, they have some experience in a real-world job occupation as a service technician.
We're teaching them how to get the skills that they need, so if they choose to have this as their career, they know what they need to do. Mainly we're teaching them flux core welding. That's what's mainly in a lot of shops nowadays. We're taking these two pieces of metal round stock and they're going to be doing verticals and overhead welding with them.
I feel like my experience here has been overall really good when it comes to just taking responsibility on your own, learning how to figure out and problem solve on your own in the shop, because there's a lot of things that can go wrong. And it comes with, again, being safe, working with heavy equipment, learning what you're doing.
Once you get those fundamentals down, the sky's the limit from there.
Learn more about careers and career paths at careerexplorenw.org.